What's going on, traders? Going to be doing a breakdown of how I traded the new 5 funded accounts this week. We did pretty good this week, up 1,601 account, up only 1,001. I'll show you why in a minute. On this one, we're up 1,400, this one 1,400, this one 1,400. So I did withdraw from 4 of them. One of them, the one that has 1,000 in it, I do need one more winning day. We'll get that on Monday, and then I'll show you guys withdrawal process just to for anyone that doesn't know how to withdraw. Anyways, let's go to the Performance Center and break down this week's trading. So here we are. So Monday I took 12 trades and I did get locked out. Monday for me, it was one of the most beautiful days I had seen. But for me, what had happened was I had got overconfident and I was looking for shorts. Everything did exactly what I wanted. However, I was over leveraged and I risked way too much. Way too much on this day. Locked out early, couldn't trade. But I was fine because I stuck to the rules. I got locked out, came back the next day. Look at this, 4 trades. Super happy about the execution. If we can take 4 trades and walk out every day with 300 bucks, just about, I will take that any day. Now this one on a Wednesday, I had woke up late on Wednesday. I think Wednesday was PPI, and I was super frustrated because I woke up and it had gone up 300 points. So I was trying to short the market because I thought it was the high of the day and I thought I'd missed the move. And as you can see, 20 trades, not good, locked out. But I am not happy about the execution. What I am happy about this day is that we stuck to the rules. We locked out and we accepted it. So that's the most beautiful thing, is when you can stick to the rules, because if you look at these losing days, you lock out at 150, can't trade, come back, we double what we had lost. So then we lose this day and then we basically give back what we made on one day. So we will break even at this point. Now, Thursday, very scary day for me. Now, I'm telling you guys, the rules are what keep you in the game. 53 trades is terrible. Terrible. I mean, that's like both of these combined. That was just a very bad day. So I went into that day, Thursday, and didn't do very good analysis, and I went down very fast. I lost $80 this day. And I was okay. Actually, I was doing okay. I was in the right trades and I was getting stopped out, break even. Then what happened was I did a stupid mistake and got down $80. And for some reason, I could not accept that. So what did I do? I went into the settings. I removed my $150 and I took it off. And I said, hey, today I'm going to win. Almost lost the accounts. But by the skin of my teeth and the grace of the Almighty, I escaped this day in profit. I'm not happy about this day. Yes, it's $483, but the execution, I am very upset. So yeah, I shouldn't have even traded on Friday, because to walk out by the skin of your teeth and then you got to discipline yourself. And so I'm going to be trying to keep that 150, because that will save you. Your rules will keep you in the game. I mean, this is beautiful to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days winning, 2 days losses. You can accept it. I mean, I did the math. I think it's going to take me 13 days to blow the account if I keep it at 150. If you're telling me you can't find a good trade and a good setup with managed $150 in 2 weeks, basically, you shouldn't be trading. Or at least I shouldn't be trading. Anyway, we escaped. Then this day, I was looking for something very specific. I was looking for a fair value gap fill. I can break down that trade. I can't really, I'll show you where I entered. But yeah, 4 trades, very quick and easy. I mean, I was in these trades for, yeah, 11 minutes. So let me go ahead and I'll break it down here on this account. Show executions. Here we go. So this was Thursday. This is how I traded all day on this day. As you can see, it was a very bad day. I mean, I gotta scroll down to find out how many times I bought. Same thing here. I think I lost on Wednesday. You can see the right days. Like on this day, it was the right idea. Just managed risk poorly. So I gotta accept it. This day, managed risk correctly. Caught a short. Bang. Beautifully executed. Beautiful patience. This day, lost my emotions and overtraded. So I deserve to be locked out. This day, I remove the lockout button and I say, no, I'm going to win and wrestle the markets because I want to break its arm, and it almost broke my arm. Anyway, this day, I would say this day and Tuesday and Friday were my best days this week. So let's go ahead. I'll go to the 1 minute chart. So for this trade, where are you? Why isn't my stuff loading? There we are. Take this off here. So this one, I went in here because what I was waiting for was something specific, and I wanted to see a fair value gap. I wanted to get in on here and here, but there was no fair value gap, nothing energetic up. So I was like, I'm not getting in anything that is not clear to me. So once I had seen a big up close candle and displacement above these swing highs, and it's kind of like pointing, hey, I want to go up here and take out these highs. I was waiting for a pull down. I got in 2 contracts here, beautifully executed right here and here. However, I did close out the trade early because I had wanted to see this candle break this swing high, and it did not. So in my mind, I'm like, oh my gosh, it might come down and take out this low. But I had saw it came down and it bounced off the upper portion of the fair value gap, opened, bounced on the top, and then immediately took out the swing high. So in my mind, as you trade more, which I didn't believe this, but now I kind of start to understand that you start to see like a pattern recognition. And so I've seen this before. So what I did is I just went long right here, tight stop loss right here. Because if it's going to go, it's not going to come down here and touch here. It's going to leave this portion open and just go. And that's exactly what it did. So I went long right here. We exploded through here, and I had sold almost at the top. Let's see. Yeah, just about right here. Because it's a Friday, it's the end of the week. Most of the time, Friday can be very ugly. So I wasn't aiming for 500, 1,000. No, I was aiming for 200, and that's it. I got 211 because I made it a little bit more right here. But eventually, then it broke lower. But yeah, just aiming for low-hanging fruit. So this week, I'm going to keep the settings at 150. So I'll make a new updated video on Monday coming out. And yeah, we will get this account. I just need one more winning day on this one. I'll show you guys that right here. So this is the day that I lost. I overtraded on this one. So that's why I can't withdraw yet. And that's why it's at 1,000. But we will see. I'll probably only trade this one on Monday, and then we'll withdraw this on Monday, and then I'll do a withdrawal breakdown. But anyways, hope all of you traders have a great rest of your weekend and a fantastic trading week next week. Good luck to you.